तुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप खैर से होंगे। जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे न्यू दर्शक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें। आज हम डाटा आउटपुट इंटरप्रिटेशन के बारे में रीडिंग करते हैं। देखते हैं अपनी रीडिंग की तरह। द आउटपुट इंटरप्रिटेशन स्टेज इज द स्टेज एट विच डाटा इज फाइनली usable to non-data scientists. It is translated, readable, and often in the form of graphs, video, image, plain text, etc. Members of the company or institution can now bring of to self-serve the data for their own data analytic projects. Data story. The final stage of data processing is story. After all of the data is processed, it is then stored for future use. While some information may be put to use, identically much of it will serve a purpose later on. Plus, properly stored data is a necessity for compliance with data protection legislation like GDPR. When data is properly stored, it can be quickly and easily accessed by members of the organization will when needed. The future of data processing. The future of data processing lies in the cloud. Cloud technology builds on the convenience of current electronic data on electronic data processing method and acceleration its speed and effectiveness. Faster, higher quality data mean more data for each organization to utilize and more valuable insights to extra. As big data migrates to the cloud, companies are realizing how benefits big data. Cloud technologies allow for companies to combine all of their platform into one easy adaptable system as software change and updates as it does often in the world of big data. Cloud technology seamlessly integrates the new with the old. The benefits of cloud data processing are is no way limited to large corporation. In fact, small companies can reap major benefits of their own cloud platform, can be inexpensive, and offer the flexibility to grow and expand capabilities. As the company grown, it gives companies the ability to scale without a hefty price tag. From data processing to analytic, big data is changing how all of us do business today. Remaining agile and competitive depends on having a clear effective data processing strategy. While the six step of data processing won't change, the cloud has driven advance in technology that deliver the most advanced, cost effective, and fastest data processing method to data. Become a data processing master. अब हम इसमें से एक टॉपिक चॉइस कर लेते हैं, बिग डाटा। बिग डाटा के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, क्या होता है बिग डाटा, थोड़ी सी कर लेते हैं। What is big data? The term big data refers to a massive, complex, and high velocity data set. As stated above, big data is the fuel that powers the evaluation of us discussion making. Big data can be uploaded and analyzed for information and insights. Big data analysis is the use of process and technology, including all and machine learning, to combine and analyze massive data set with the goal of identify pattern and developing actionable insights. दोस्तों, आज की इतनी रीडिंग काफ़ी, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको मेरी रीडिंग मुझे समझ आई होगी। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए